this are the company here send me, you see me, Telesin. You see, this is a very cool mobile mic, China. You see me? So look on it. Right now I use the phone audio. You see me, the iPhone 15 Pro. You see? So we are gonna test out this mic right now. I hear its own. So I'm gonna see what I'm going. So I'm gonna meet up. So these are the mics. So you take the mic here. It have a magnet on it. Alright. Yeah, put it inside the shirt. And put on the mic on this. Alright, so the mic is right here. You see me? Let me just turn it around. So it's easy. You have a dust filter. You mean? When I'm calling something again, we put on dead cat. I have a dead cat we can put on the mic. I'm gonna put it on the mic right now and hear it sound. So give me an audio check.
Alright, testing. 1, 2. How you doing?
So they make it look weird, like look at the dead cat. Look at it. It does look weird. Let me see how it look if you try to fix it on. Alright, I'm gonna try fix it on and see. Alright. Oh, you stuff it in it like that.
Like this. Is it wide enough?
Yeah. Wide enough. But I guess it's just how it depends on how the audio sound. Because right now the wind that blow to the mic. So you guys would hear the difference between what it sound like. So then put it in your shirt. So typically if you do something like this, what I would do, I would flip it around.
Yeah, but then this can't go inside.
No, as in I would put the mic itself inside.
Inside, okay.
Yeah. You see me? So this talking mirror.
Yes, testing 1. Hey. How you doing? Are you hearing me? Testing 1. Hey. How you doing? Are you hearing me? Yeah, it's recording.
Imagine I should do something on record. So normally, even if I use some, I can just put the mic inside.
Yeah.
So I hear how the audio sound. I don't even know how the lighting sound. Because I shoot on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you see me? Apple ProRes is in 4K 30, you see me? So I'm gonna test out the distance. So just keep the camera on me. Hi, yeah, I'm walking. I don't know if I'm going to, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can hear. You see me? So distance and hear what it sound like. So I'm gonna turn my back. Hopefully it doesn't, chip out. Let me turn back again. See if it connect. Testing. Turn back again. Testing. Go behind this tree. Yeah, so this, I don't know. That distance supposed to good. Because majority of the time I not really talk so far from the mic, you get me? So, alright. Yeah. Yo. Audio check. So the good thing about it is
But then, it's a peaking at the red though when you talk.
well, I don't know if it actually, because you don't have anything to monitor, you don't have anything to like turn up the volume.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Oh, okay.
So
you can't turn it down in the app?
probably, but if you now use the app, but we don't know if it actually a peak. Because it might sound like it's a peak in the app, but it's not really peak. So need to do some more testing, you see me? Alright, so the AC moving pretty decent right now. It's not too low, it's good. You get me? So hopefully some of them I'm want to get the Toyota today. Just for pair up with my product. So Ranco bro. Ranco they look decent. Yeah, so testing out this mic is so easy because like basically all of the mic are just the same, easily. But it depends on if it have like buttons and knobs and everything, like, because it only have, actually there's nothing to control the audio levels. You get me? You're just supposed to use it as is. Outside of just using it as is. I mean, you guys can be the judge. It sounds pretty decent. You get me? And then because I'm using the iPhone 15, which gives me the Type-C option, I can just plug it directly to this Type-C port. And I realized that the mic is being charged. Well, not the mic itself, the receiver is being charged. It's being charged. The receiver was right there.
It's in the case.
Now, I wonder what the case then. The case. Case on this. I'm gonna make sure. Alright, this is actually the real world test. Yeah, so the receiver is being charged, meaning it is plugged into your phone, which makes it pretty easy. And this is a charging case which has all of the mics and the receiver in it, so very small and very portable. It's like one of the smallest and most effective wireless mic there is for the phone. Look at it, very neat. Sony Type-C charging, just like any other wireless mic right now. It's so neat with the magnet and everything. So, yo, when it got inside and it stay inside because it kind of have to come out to just one hand. You see me? You have a Type-C port right here, so try to put that one here. Yeah, charging part. Yes, so yeah, pretty dope. The back. So this is going to go with me everywhere now when I want some decent audio. So I'm shoot on the phone. I have to just export the video them to the SSD because the SSD port, the Type-C port is being used by the mic. You get me? So normally I would just record straight to my SSD
hard drive.
Yeah. So because it use, I can't really use it. What over the song?
It's convention center.
Convention center. Alright. Yeah. So you guys tell me how the audio sound. This is supposed to be one of the realest world tests there is. You get me? Peace.